So traders, I think I'm finally done for 2021 and I'm ending it on a very positive note. On 22nd of December 2021, I made 9,000 US dollars within the first 15 minutes of market open. Insane end to the year. I only took one trade on this day and my return on investment was 50%. That means I invested $18,000 in order to make $9,000, that too within 15 minutes. This trade I took off the open, I practically caught the low of the day on the stock I was trading, completely based on level 2 and volume analysis. So make sure that you guys watch this video till the end, because trust me, this video will definitely help you to step up your tape reading and level 2 skills. I said that I'm done for 2021 because I will be traveling the last week of December, so I won't be increasing my size when I'm traveling, because you guys know every trade is a risk to reward. So if I increase my position sizing and if I have a red day when I'm traveling, it will just ruin my whole vacation. So I will be lowering my position sizing when I'm traveling. Not only that, because of the holiday season last week of December, the volume dies down in the stock market, so the opportunities are not there anymore. I have been trading for the past 3 years, and as per my experience, usually the last week of December is very slow with low volume, because most of the traders are enjoying their vacation instead of focusing on making money. Because as I always say, the pro traders, they make money from January to end of December, then they enjoy the money they made the last week of December. So I will be doing the same thing. I'm not even thinking of trading, but if market gives a good opportunity, because market has a way of surprising you, even if I take a trade, I will be lowering my position sizing and I will be enjoying my vacation. In this video, I will be showing you guys my game plan for the day, my trade recap. I have a recording of my trade that I took on this day, and then finally I will show you guys a PNL statement at the end of this video. And before we jump on to my game plan for the day, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to learn more about day trading and my journey as a day trader. The stock I made $9,000 on right within the first 15 minutes of market open is Tesla. Tesla had a bullish move recently towards the upside. Since then, it's been consolidating in this channel. Recently, for the past few days, I have been watching Tesla and I'm noticing that there's not a lot of selling pressure around $900 level. This $880 to $900 level, this zone is acting as a strong support on Tesla. What I mean by strong support is that I have been watching Tesla almost every single day for the past 2-3 years, but for the past 2-3 days, I have been noticing Tesla around $900 level. Every time Tesla breaks $900 towards the downside, we see a lot of buyers stepping up and it closes above $900 level. We are not seeing any clean selling pressure under $900 level. And that is the same reason I also got in a swing position just the day before on Monday around 905, and on 22nd of December, Tesla broke $1,000 level towards the upside. So I caught $100 move within 1 day on my swing position, which is almost up 200% at the moment, because I got in January expiry contracts. I posted about my swing position on my Instagram, so make sure that you follow me there. The link will be in the description box below. I post a lot of behind the scenes of a day trader and my PNL, my swing positions on Instagram. So this was the breakdown of the bigger picture on Tesla. Now if we go in the intraday basis, on 22nd of December 2021, Tesla was gapping up. It made a pre-market high of around $978, and 960 to 965 zone was acting as a strong support in the pre-market. This is the recording of my trade, but before I play the recording, I would like to explain my game plan heading on to this day. As I mentioned, Tesla made a pre-market high of around $978 right here. My plan on Tesla was that if we see clean buying pressure right off the open, I would like to enter at the breakout of 978, or the other scenario was if we see a pullback to 960 or 965 zone, because you guys can see 960 to this 965 zone was acting as a resistance and support in the pre-market itself. So if we see a pullback to 960 and if I see buying pressure on the level 2 and time and sales, I would like to enter on the pullback to 960 to catch a breakout towards the upside for the break of pre-market high. I even did a detailed breakdown of these two trade ideas for our Discord members in the pre-market webinar that we have every single market open day. If you guys want to be part of our Discord group, get access to my game plan, our pre-market webinars, our weekly webinars, the link will be in the description box below. Here's a recording of my trade on Tesla. You guys can see right within the first 1 minute of market open, Tesla sold off. It made a low of the day around $957 level, but we are seeing a lot of buying pressure around $960 level. As soon as I saw that there's a sudden increase in the speed of time and sales around 960 and 961, I got filled 15 contracts at a fill price of 12.20. I'm trading 970 calls, same week expiry. expiry contracts. I will also show you guys a bookmap of this trade because this trade is a perfect example of how I use bookmap to my advantage. Bookmap is just a software that shows you the big buyers and big sellers in a heat map. So it's easier to see in a heat map instead of focusing on the numbers on the level 2. I just moved myself to the other side so you guys can see what is happening on the bookmap actually. There's a big buyer at $955 level, and right around 9:40 or 9:41 AM, you guys will see another buyer at $960 level. So right here at 960, we have around 6,000 shares to be bought by the buyers, and this will keep on increasing. So you guys can see 7,000, 8,000, then 9,000 shares. So when I saw this right here, I realized that buyers are interested in buying Tesla around $960 level, and the bids keep on increasing from 6,000 to 9,000. After a few seconds, that buyer got exhausted at $960 level. Then we saw a sudden increase in the speed of the time in sales, and there's another big buyer at $960 level with 6,000 shares. So when I saw this, I'm like, buyers are very eager to get into Tesla around 960. 960 is acting as support, and the bids keep on increasing at 959 at 960. If I zoom in a bit further, you guys can see we had a big bid at 960, which went up from 6,000 to 9,000 shares. That got exhausted. Then we had another big buyer at 960, another one at 959. So when I see this kind of buying pressure on the bookmap, I just know that even if I enter a position around 962, my stop loss will be 959. And I'm seeing that buyers are holding on the time and sales and on the bookmap. So this gives you a very, very high probability setup. Let's now jump onto the trade recording. I got filled right here around $961 to $962 level with a stop loss at 958, 959. We had the big buyers right there on the bookmap. As soon as Tesla broke the high of the day, right around 968 and 969, I covered 5 contracts at a fill price of 15.81. I'm still holding 10 of my contracts because I'm in a really, really good trade. My entry is right around the low of the day, so my risk to reward is perfect. And if we catch the break of 978, I can easily make 40-50% of my investment on this trade. At the break of 971 and 972, this level was also holding as resistance in the pre-market. I covered 2 more contracts at a fill price of 18.15. I covered another 3 contracts when Tesla was failing to hold 975 at a fill price of 18.05. I'm still holding my position because my stop loss now is around 968 to 970. If we see the VWAP hold right around here, 968, 970, there's no reason for me to exit my whole position. And you guys can see right here, my trade idea was perfect. We pulled back to the VWAP. We held 970 as support. At the break of the pre-market high, I covered 2 more contracts at a fill price of 20.25. Before we jump on to my next partials, I would like to explain a very good example of volume price analysis on this trade, because if you try to chase Tesla right at the break or pre-market high, most likely you got faked out on this big red candle. But if you guys now focus on the volume on right here at the bottom of the 1-minute chart, the volume on this big red candle is not very high. So in a good price action, a big red candle or a big green candle should have high volume, but this big red candle is on very, very low volume. This is called a volume anomaly. Sellers are not interested in selling anymore. That's why you don't see big selling pressure. We just saw a retest of 970. We shaked out the buyers who were trying to chase this stock, and when buyers entered again at 970, we saw a crazy push towards the upside. If you guys want to learn more about volume price analysis, and if you guys saw my trading books video, that will be linked at the end of this video. I mentioned a book in that video, Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis. This is a perfect example of a trade idea from that book, and volume anomaly is explained in detail in that book. Now coming to my partials, you guys can see I just kept taking partials at the break of high of the day. I did not take my partials on the pullback. At the break of high of the days, at the break of $980 level, I covered my second last contract at a fill price of 21.00. Around 981, I covered my last contract at a fill price of 21.40. Overall, on this trade, I made around $9,000. That was a return of around 50% of my investment. Finally, let's now take a look at my PNL. I just took one trade off the open. My entry was at 9:31 AM. My exit was at 9:48. So approximately I traded for the first 15-20 minutes seconds of market open, only one trade, and I made around $9,000 on that trade, which is an insane trade right off the open. But that is it guys. In this video you guys saw a very good example of level 2, speed increase on the time and sales, bookmap, and volume price analysis. So if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification because I'm releasing 2 to 3 new videos on day trading every single week. And as I mentioned already, to see a few behind the scenes of a day trader, to see my small green or red PNLs, go and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.